Hello, welcome to our channel NS Hello India. Today I am going to tell you single solution of our all multiple problems from the book Shri Ram Sharma Acharya. We may consider any problem relating to any sphere of life and we shall find that in the ultimate analysis it is the degradation of our moral standards that account for it. Any lasting solution to human problems can only be found by improvement in our moral conduct. Where the roots are strong, the branches and leaves are always healthy and fully grown. The problems in our society are innumerable. Casteism, fatalism, division, conflict, poverty, disease, illiteracy, etc. Corruption, crime, laziness, deceit, dishonesty, insecurity, class conflicts, inequality, backwardness, dowry, etc. Many official and unofficial agencies are involved in eradication of such evil. These efforts have a place in our life, but then it has to be recognized that the ultimate solution lies in improving our standards of morality and social conduct. All social evils are manifestation of the devil in man. Once these evil tendencies get sublimated in, would be much easier to eradicate these and other evils from human society. As long as this sublimation does not take place and men continue to act under the influence of devilish tendencies leading to immoral conduct, the evils will continue in one from another. If there are toxins in our body, they will keep on oozing out in one from another place. If their exit from one source is checked, they will burst out in some other from. In the formation of these toxins is controlled, the body will become free from many diseases. The same is true about social evil. If immoral conduct can be checked, the source of social evil will dry up in course of time. A vice-free society would be the natural outcome of such a reform. Spiritual progress and self-realizations are achieved only by such people as can subordinate base instincts to higher emotion. These needs life-long devotion, where occasional worship or performance of ritual is not enough if self-discipline is ignored and no effort made to counteract and the influence of bases instinct. The higher ideals of human life can never be achieved. A healthy plant is possible only out of healthy seed planted in appropriate soil, nursed with proper manure and irrigation. In the same way, the health of a society is determined by the quality of its person and the condition prevailing. Where men are possessed by the evil thoughts, even healthy social circumstances would not lead to a prosperous social order. Misfortunes invariably surround people who are not noble in thought and deeds. As such, it is relevant that as we talk about social reforms or progress, we also take into account the need for initiating measures that would lead to a balanced development of the personality of the social constituents. It is misconceptions to believe that once there is enough wealth, everyone would happy. In money, power gets concentrated in people with low moral standards. It can play to the peace and prosperity of the society. Money promotes happiness only when it is command of people with noble thoughts and concern for humanity. Everyone needs resources to succeed. It is legitimate to work for equations of resources necessary for success of any venture, of any venture. But what often gets ignored in these processes is the mode of acquisitions has the be guided by the desire for social good. Peace and lasting prosperity is possible only when the resources are required and spent on activities aimed at promoting social good in keeping with morality. Progress would be manifold if the efforts of acquired resources are also matched with efforts to raise moral standards involved in the acquisition and use of material resources. What happens in the world outside us is determined by how we think within. If our thoughts are pure and noble, the external life around is bound to be happy and prosperous for all mankind. I hope you like all these things that are very important in our life, in our happy life. If our inner self is beautiful, then outside is also beautiful. We should be think good for better good, and outside and surrounding should also be good by our good thinking. So we should improve our thinking, improve our mental condition and happiness, so we can spread all over the love, happiness and mankind. Please comment below if you like this and tell me your thoughts. What are you thinking about this? Thank you for liking, subscribing and share the channel if you like it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.